This is the AI training your team should have started last year. Most teams are not ready for AI, and it's costing time, money, and trust. So, in my summer series, I'm going to share with you the same subjects that I used to train executives and teams to actually apply AI that works. No jargon, no hype, just results without burning out your staff. Right now, all of our teams are overwhelmed. Technology is not meeting our needs. And your staff? Well, if you've implemented AI and you haven't done the training, your staff is probably spending more time searching for information than delivering value. AI is here to help, but only if you train your people to use it wisely and safely. And this isn't just about having conversations about ChatGPT in the break room. This is about applied AI. So, what's applied AI? That's AI when implemented correctly, it improves workflows, it saves time, and it restores your organizational focus. Hi, I'm Teresa Yunkin. I'm a health informaticist and I'm an AI strategist. I've trained executives, led AI pilots, and facilitated national conversations on healthcare interoperability and governance. My job, just like a surgeon stitches people together with sutures, I stitch people and processes together with ones and zeros. And I've seen what happens when AI is done right and when it's not. Each week, I'm going to walk you through one high impact use case. It'll be something from knowledge retrieval to ambient listening. We're going to be using some real examples, very clear frameworks when they're needed, and you will leave with one actionable step that your team can take each week. Whether you're a chief marketing officer, a chief medical officer, a director of nursing, an operations leader, a manager of a team, the series is going to give you the language and the insight that you're going to need to lead with clarity and transparency with your team. So here's the biggest mistake that I see in AI. We always seem to focus on the technology. We forget about the team. What do I mean? We tell everybody all the bells and whistles that come with the technology, but we never tell people what's the win in it for them. If you are telling people that this is going to write emails quicker for you, what does that mean for them? It means if they can get the emails out that they need on time at the end of the day, that means that they can go home and watch their kids play sports. That's what's in it for them. That's what we should be focused on as leaders. And that comes directly from good change management practices. I've seen pilots fail from frontline staffs who were never taught how to use a tool or why it even mattered to them. So, this series is going to help to flip the script, and we're going to start with people, and we're going to start with the workflows, the conversations, the trust. Each week, you're going to get a leadership prompt or an activity that you can do in 10 minutes or less with your team. Why? I want you to do more than just watch the series. I want you to start building momentum with your team. And if your organization is ready to go deeper, I do lead custom AI workshops. I cover strategy, pilot design, training roadmaps. You can find the link below. At the end of this 12 weeks, what you're going to get is an internal training guide. You know what I want you to do? I want you to share this with your teams. I want you to just challenge your assumptions if you've got some around AI. But most importantly, I just want you to start. Start using it, introduce it to your team, let it become a part of your vernacular. AI is not waiting for us to get ready because, as we've seen, if you look around, it's here and it's continuing to go on with or without us. The best time to start was last summer. The next best time to start is right now. Those leaders who start right now, they're going to be the ones who get rewarded with their teams. So I catch you guys here again next week for the very first episode in this summer series where we're going to be looking at those 6 primitive use cases in AI. So excited. Come back. Subscribe.